nothing above me. Say them fake niggas gon' hate, real niggas gon' love me. And you gotta stay protected with the profile, homie.
She got up in here.
What's up with it, man?
She got up in here. She got up in here, man.
What's up with it, man? Happy 4th of July. That's how we do in the country. We popping real fireworks, you dig? Kids, don't try this at home, you know what I'm saying? Unless you got somebody grown watching your back to show you how to do this. Ain't gonna let us show we get ready to do, man, down here in the country, man.
Got a little bit of this, got a little bit of that.
You see that thing on that? You see that pretty little dick coming out that pussy, man? Huh?
That's called the Bout red tub.
Got him. Ready to go. Ready to go.
They are ready.
Ready, man. For all you suckers out there, don't get it twisted, man. My name is Boy Dog the General, man. In real life, you dig? Come on out here, man. Let me show you how we get down, man. Right fast. Yeah, man, can you smell the gun smoke aroma, man? You did. 4th of July, 2010, man. It's not a game, man. I'm for real about this out here, you dig? So when you think about running up on your boy, you better think twice, man. Where my bread at?
I think, man, I still recording.
Yeah.